Today, hot clown bus action. Boo-wah.
Afternoon, people. Here is the bus. Now they had their actors come out some time ago and have some fun. And yeah, well, we're just going to take care of that. We're going to prime it. It's got to say clown school on it. And put some death incarnate, some dripping blood and all sorts of good stuff. And then we're going to come in here and we will kind of do a little bit more in here with the good paint. Yeah, they went crazy in here. I bet you it looks great at black light at night. We're gonna put like dripping blood on the seats and that sort of thing. Just make this thing pretty. We're gonna get some primer done. So yep, conquer and destroy, people. Let's get this bad boy going. All right, we've got 2 coats of primer on this bad boy, and whatever paint they used in the past was really difficult to cover over, but we did our darndest, and we're going to start shooting color. For those of you who own an outdoor trail and do a significant amount of painting out there, make sure whatever you do, especially doing something like this, it's totally outdoors, to get that paint on before the sun sets or like past 8 o'clock in the morning. Because if you don't, a lot of times humidity, especially here in Michigan, it will stay wet all night long into the morning, and that's going to cause runs. Bugs are going to get stuck in it. You're going to have a real difficult time with this. So try to make sure you get the paint on before the sun sets. Now it's about 6 o'clock in the evening, and so I'm going to start putting some paint on, but it won't be too much longer. And then we'll finish this bad boy up tomorrow and get her at set and then off to the next site. So just FYI, get your paint on while the sun is up. Okay? Let's keep on going, people. Okay, we have our colors on. We got where we're gonna put some images. We got where we're putting our lettering. So it's not always fun painting on this corrugated stuff, but it will do. So getting things all ready to go, and then we're gonna do a bunch of stuff. It's gonna be cool. So let's get this bad boy going. Oh yeah, it's coming along. Well, a lot of you know I don't like to letter, but sometimes what do you do, you know? So very careful trying to go up and down through all that ribbing, trying to get her done. Clown school, spelled creatively.